Hello, I'm John Stainsby, and in this first lesson, we're going to cover the principal component of a data science workspace, a project. Let's start out with a definition of a data science project. It's a collaborative workspace for teams of data scientists to organize their work around a particular use case or business question. All data science resources, for example, notebook sessions and models, are created within projects. Data scientists can create, name, describe, and tag their projects. There are two main ways to create projects, from the console user interface and from the ADS SDK. We will demonstrate both ways to create projects at the end of this lesson, but for now, let's look at each option at a high level. From the console, log into your tenancy with the necessary policies. Open the navigation menu, click Analytics and AI. Under Machine Learning, click Data Science. Then click Create Project and select the compartment you want to add the project to. It is optional but recommended to enter a unique name for the project. If you don't provide a name, then a name including the current timestamp is automatically generated for you. Also optionally, enter a short description for the project. If you don't add a description, it remains empty, but descriptions are useful for other users to understand what your project is, independent from any specific naming convention that you might choose to use. Add tags to easily locate and track the resource by selecting a tag namespace, then entering the key and value. To add more than one tag, click Add Additional Tags. To view the details for your project immediately after creation, select View Detail page on clicking Create. After you successfully create a project, you can create notebook sessions and models and associate them with the project. You and your collaborators can then organize and document your data science work within the projects. From the ADS SDK, using the Project Catalog object, create a project by calling the Create Project method and specifying the compartment ID. In this code example, we use a preset environment variable of a notebook session to use the same compartment as the notebook session itself. Let's talk about managing projects. In particular, let's discuss viewing, editing, and deleting them. You can view all projects on the project list page. Click a project to view its details. Projects have the following metadata: a display name and description, the OCID of the project, the date and time it was created and the user it was created by, as well as its tags. The only fields that are editable are display name, description, and tags. You can view and edit projects through any of the OCI interfaces. To delete a project must be empty. All data science resources associated with that project must first be deleted. To delete a project from the console UI, locate the project in the project list, then, from either the project list or the details page, click Delete. In order to delete a project from the console, you must fill in the display name of the project to confirm deletion. To create a project, first navigate to Data Science. You'll land on the Projects Lists view. From here, click Create Project and give your project a name. Also give it a description. And I like to use tags to keep my workspace tidy. Then click Create. You'll immediately enter the project view. From here, click back to the Projects List view to see your project listed. To edit a project, either from the project page or from the menu, select Edit, and the only fields that are editable are the name and the description. In order to edit tags, you would click on these dots, view the details, select the tags, and choose from your freeform tags and edit or add your tags from there. To delete a project, either from the list view or from the project view, simply click Delete. Bear in mind that a project must be empty in order to delete it. Type in the name of the project exactly to confirm deletion and click Delete. And you'll see the project move to a deleting status. It's now deleted, and when you go back to the project view, you'll be able to see the deleted status. You can filter out any projects that are deleted by choosing a different state. So if we go to active, we won't see any projects anymore. So in this lesson, we discussed data science projects, how to create them, and how to manage them, including viewing, editing, and deleting. Thank you.